Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Ice Moth Dragon Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start with the curve down. And then bring it back up on the right. Now from the top, let's angle it down and in. And the same on the right, but a little bit longer. And now let's add a pointed V shape above it. Next, let's add the eyes. On the left side, let's draw a curve. And then a circle for the right eye. Next, let's color both eyes in black. Now let's hop down and draw the shape of the face. Underneath the left eye, let's start with an angle down. Then let's curve it down to the right and back up, stopping over here. Next, let's add the nostrils with two small ovals. Now let's move down on the right cheek and add the first whisker. We'll start with the bent line. And then follow that same curve underneath. Next, let's add the other whisker on the left side of the face. And that's it for the whiskers. Let's move over and draw the ear next. On the right side of the face, let's draw an S-shaped curve up. And then curve it back in at the top. Now inside, let's follow those same curves. And then connect them on the side. Next, let's hop up above the right eye and let's draw a curve on an angle. Now let's draw two long S-shaped curves up, coming to a point. And now let's do the same thing inside in the middle. Now let's draw the same thing over to the left here. Next, let's close off the top of the head by adding the hair. Let's start off in between the horns we just drew, and let's draw an S-shaped curve up and all the way back down. Then another piece underneath of it, and a curve at the bottom. Now let's hop to the right and let's draw another S-shaped curve up, down, and curve at the bottom. Let's add another piece above it here. A larger piece out to the right and in. Then below it, let's draw a curve down to the ear. Another larger piece behind the ear. And then one last one above it. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body now. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two curves down, coming to a point. Then a smaller one on the left, a larger one on the right, and then one more. Next, before drawing the shape of the body, let's add the right wing. Let's leave a gap, and on the right here, let's draw a curve. Then from the top line, let's curve it up and back around like this. Next, let's move back inside, and from the bottom, let's curve it up and down. Then curve it back in. Then underneath, let's add 2 small curves. Now let's hop back up to the top right, and let's add another curve out and in, and a longer curve down and in like this. Now from both sides, let's angle it out to the right. Now let's close off the end with a bump like this. And that's it for the shape of the wing. Let's move in and draw the details next. Let's start inside at the top, and let's draw a long curve down. Then from the top, a small curve, and then curve it down, coming to a point. Now let's add 3 more of these going down, getting smaller as we go. And then one last triangle piece below it here. And that's it for the right wing. Now let's move back and draw the shape of the body. Let's draw a curve between the ear and the wing at the top here. And then a curve underneath for the bottom of the body. Now let's move over to the left and draw the other wing. From the top of the nose, let's draw a curve up and to the left like this. Then let's bring it back down with a slightly wavy line. Now inside, let's add a curve here, a curve at the top, and then bring it back in. And now let's add 2 more of these shapes, getting smaller. And that's it for the left wing. Let's move down and draw the feet next. Underneath the body, let's start with a curve up and down like this. Then let's add a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now let's draw another foot in the same way above it on the left. And then a 3rd foot on the back right here. And then the last foot underneath the body. We'll start with 2 curves down, and then a curve across the bottom. Lastly, let's add the tail. From the back of the body, underneath the wing, let's draw 2 curves down like this. Then let's close off the end with a small curve. And then at the end of the tail, let's draw an oval shape. And that's it for the Ice Moth Dragon Pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!